Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 31. JALBUTAKDEURIPNIDA, which means please take care of me. JALBUTAKDEURIPNIDA is an expression telling someone to please take care of you. And this is more likely said to your boss or to your employer or to the people whom you'll be working with. JALBUTAKDEURIPNIDA could be divided into 7 syllables. JALBUTAKDEURIPNIDA. Jal is formed from the combination of the sounds of jiat, a, and real. Bu is formed from the combination of the sounds of biup and u. While tak is formed from the combination of the sounds of tiat, a, and giok. Du is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and u. Rip is formed from the combination of the sounds of real, e, and biup. Ni is formed from the combination of the sounds of nian and e. And da is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and a. JALBUTAKDEURIPNIDA. And with that, you just learned JALBUTAKDEURIPNIDA. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 21 to 30. Before anything else, remember that our word for today, word number 31, is JALBUTAKDEURIPNIDA, which means please take care of me. Word number 30 is toboja. This means see you again, but this is not as immediate or urgent as see you later. Word number 29 is idabwa, which means see you later. This is an immediate later, not like see you again, where there is no sense of urgency. Word number 28 is kunyang, which means just because, or an expression that you are asking for something with no reason at all. Word number 27 is pali. This is an adverb, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is jamkanman. This is an informal and casual version of jamkanmanyo, which means just a second. Word number 25 is kumawoyo. This is one among the formal way of saying thank you. Word number 24 is chingu. This is a noun and it means friend. Word number 23 is kumane, which is an informal way of saying stop it or enough. Word number 22 is choda. This is an adjective used to describe something as good or great. And word number 21 is gamsaheo. This is another formal way of saying thank you. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.